Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 19. In this video, I will show you how to find someone on the Bigo Live application. To find someone on Bigo Live, you need to know the username or Bigo ID of that particular person. First, open your Bigo Live application. In the home page, you will see a search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and it will guide you to the search space. Here, click on the search bar to enter the name or Bigo ID of the person. If you have the Bigo ID of that person, enter it here and search. You can easily find that person through their Bigo ID. Once you find them, click on their profile picture. You will reach their profile, and below, you will see a follow button. Tap on it to follow them. Now, if you don't know the Bigo ID of the person, just enter the username of the person. You will find various profiles with that username. Find the particular person you're looking for, then click on their profile picture. You will reach their profile, and below, you will see a follow button. Click on that to follow them. So, this is how you find someone on the Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.